class. I hope you are having an amazing day and I hope you're ready for some learning. So we are going to be doing, we're still in week five, so you got to get your handy dandy packet that has a 5 on it. We are going pink today, so pull out the pink. So you are going to need your pink packet. Let's just have our whiteboard because we're going to need our whiteboard. Pencil, handy dandy pencil. You're going to need your colors. You can use these or your color box, whatever you have. You are going to need your notebook. Colin and I have yours, so hopefully if you have another one, or you're going to need some kind of something to write on. Again, you can use the front of this if you need to, because we are going to do minute to win it. Who is going to, we're going to do some double digit adding. And I'm going to tiny to see how many get, but we've got to write those problems first. So you need to open up to your notebook. So open up your notebook, find just an empty page, and we're going to write some math problems. We're going to be writing some math problems. And so what I'm going to want you to do is I want you to skip a line, okay? So you can skip 1 line or you can skip 2 lines if you're kind of feeling that you want a little extra room. You definitely can do that. I'm going to skip just 1 line is what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so hope you're ready because I'm going to give you the math problem. You're going to write it and no answers. No answers because I'm going to do the timer and we're going to see how quick can you do these, okay? So the first one I want you to write is 2 plus 2 equals, and then no answer. Do not write an answer because we're just going to get right. So here's mine. So as you can see, I have my 2 plus 2 equals no answer. And then of course you see how I'm very close to that red line. So it gives me, and now I'm going to skip a line. Here comes your next problem. Ready? 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 equals no answer again. Please don't write your answers because I'm going to put the timer on. Okay, so there's mine. Okay, we're going to keep going. Okay, ready? 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3 equals 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1 equals 6 plus 6 equals 6 plus 6 equals 4 plus 4 equals 4 plus 4 equals 8 plus 8 equals 8 plus 8 equals. Okay, let me see which one I am missing. Okay, 7 plus 7 equals 7 plus 7 equals 7 plus 7 equals 9 plus 9 equals 9 plus 9 equals. And of course, what do you think our last one is? You're right. 10 plus 10 equals 10 plus 10 equals. Okay, so here it is. Okay, you should have no answers, no answers. Now I'm going to get my handy dandy timer. Handy dandy timer is going to come. Okay, when I say go, you're going to go and you're going to write your answers. You're going to write your answers, okay? But you cannot start until the timer goes. So we're going to go 1 minute. Can you get your double digits in 1 minute? In 1 minute. Okay, is everybody ready? Okay. Ready, set, go. timer's on. So, okay. Which is, okay, timer. Thank you. Usually it doesn't go off, but now it goes off, which is awesome. Okay, so, okay, let's see how great you did. Okay, so ready? So let's double check our work now. Ready? Okay, 2 plus 2. Who put 4? 2 plus 2 equals 4. Ready? 5 plus 5 equals 10. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 10 plus 10 equals 20. How many of you got all those right? That is amazing. Awesome, awesome job. So I'm just going to show you, so if in case anyone needed to see your answers. So it should be 4, 10, 6, 2, 12, 8, 16, 14, 18, 20. Awesome job. Awesome job. And when you're looking at all those numbers, what do you see right away? What do you see right away on that, Oliver? You're right. They're all even numbers. They're all even numbers. Those are all the even numbers that we have there. So, okay, great job on your 1 minute storing it. Okay, so we're going to move on to some 10 frames, So yesterday we did some 10 frames. We added 10 frames together. This time we're going to be doing where we are going to see a number and we are going to make the 10 frames look like it. So that way we're going to make them look like that. Oops, sorry, bumped into the table. So let me take down my handy dandy. Okay, so right now, of course, that doesn't look like a 10 frame. This is going to be the information that we're going to put. So I'm going to show you what your paper is going to look like today, but we're going to do some example ones. So this is what it looks like. It gives you a number, it gives you 10 frames, it gives you sticks of tens, and then it wants you to write them. Okay, so this is where you're going to need your colors. You're going to need your colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit back so you can see. I'm going to go handy dandy purple is the color I just chose, is what I chose out of there. So I am going to write a number down here. I'm going to write a number down there, and then I am going to show you what it would look like in my sticks of tens, and I'm going to color pretty quickly. And then I'm also going to show what it would look like in my, this is my 10 frame, and then what would it look like in stick of tens? What would it look like? So I'm going to go with the number 25. So with my 25, what I would do is I am needing to do my 10 frame. So I know it's going to have 2 sticks of tens. So that means it's going to have 2 10 frames. So I am just going to very quickly, I'm not going to color it completely. Here are my 2 sticks of 10. So this would tell you that I need all of those. So let me make it, because it kind of looks like sticks of 10. So here you go. So those are my 2 sticks of 10, but now I need ones. How many ones do I need? I need 5 ones. I need 5 ones. So then that means I would color in one side, because I know one side is 5. So here are my 5s. So so I have my 2 sticks of 10 and my 5s. So that is showing it like this. Now, what would it look like if I colored this in? Again, I know I need my 2 sticks of tens. So then I'm going to color my 2 sticks of tens. Again, I'm going really quickly on mine. 2 sticks of 10, I'd color those in. And then I would do 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There would be 5. So there is my 2 10 and my 5. Now I've got to take this information, this right here, that 25 that I have there, I need to write it. So how many tens did I have? Well, this right here, that number is my tens. So how many tens do I have? I have 2 tens. 2 tens. How many ones do I have? These are my ones. How many ones do I have? I have 5 ones. And how much do I have all together? I have 25. I have 25. 25. Okay. So let's do one more of these. So let me erase my 25. I'm going to erase my 25. I'm going to erase those numbers really quickly. So I am going to do, ready? I want 21. 21. So remember again, the first thing I'm going to do is I have my 10 frame. I've got to turn this 10 frame into what 21 would look like. So I would color in my 10 frame. It tells me how many sticks of 10s do I need. You're right, 2. Tells me I need my 2 sticks of 10, so I'm going to quickly color my 2 sticks of 10. There's 1 stick of 10, or sorry, 1 10 frame. My other 10 frame. How many 1s does it say I need? You're right, it says I need 1 1. So here's my 1 1. So here's my color, 2 10 frames and 1 1. Now I'm going to do, I'm going to do it in my sticks of 10s. Again, how many do I need for how many 10s? 2. I need 2 of them. So I'm going to color my 2. There are my 2. How many 1s? I need 1. I only need 1. So there's my 1. So that's what it would look like in my sticks of 10s. Now I've got to take that information and I've got to put it where it goes. So it says 10s. How many 10s do I have? Remember, this is my 10s. How many 10s? You're right. 2 10s. How many 1s? You're right. 1 1. How much all together? In all. How much in all? You're right. 21. 21. Great job. So remember, that's going to be one of your pages in there today too. So let's see what's in our packet today. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so of course, what do you think you're doing first? You are right. You are right, Barrett. Yeah, we got a story to read. So here is your first. You're going to read, answer questions. Page number 2. You are going to need your dictionary. Oop, forgot to tell you to get your dictionary. So I think this is my dictionary in here. You're going to need your dictionary. So you are going to need to write in there. I want you to use a word from your V words. If you used them all, then just choose one. Kind of make a story out of it. I know there's a volcano in there, so kind of describe like who is there, like who saw it. Kind of make it have a person, place, or thing. The volcano, where is the volcano? It could be on an island. Can be on an island. So I want you to kind of write more descriptive, meaning have a little more details in there. I'm going to have some of you read these to me. I'm pretty excited when I get to talk to you on the phone, which is super cool. Then here is double digits again. This is just yours. You can challenge yourself. If you want to time yourself, you can do that. So you can see if someone in your family can time you. Some of you still have your fidget spinner. Can you do it quicker than the fidget spinner? Let's see. So write your answers. You're going to write your answers. This is what we just did, So it's going to give you your number. So this is 24. It wants to know in a 10 frame, what would it look like? What would stick of 10s look like? And then on the top, you're going to write how many 10s were there, how many 1s were there, and how many in all. Okay, so you're just going to do all of those. And then your last is going to be identifying your money again. Later this week, we are going to be doing money. We're going to do some shopping. So I just want to make sure that everybody knows what coins they have. So your pennies are going to be orange, nickels are blue, dimes are green, and quarter. Yep, the quarter's there. The quarter is yellow. Count how many of each one, how many pennies you have, how many dimes you have, how many nickels you have, and how many quarters you have, okay? Right now, this is just identifying for you to be able to recognize what those coins look like, because they are different. They have different precedents on them. So I want to make sure you can identify what those coins are. So when I say pennies, you get your pennies. If I say nickels, you get your nickels. If I say dimes, dimes, quarters, quarters, and you are able to identify what your coins are. So that is your last page today. that is your last page today. So do an awesome job. Do your best. I'm super excited to hear some of these stories of how you're writing. I really, I hope I get to see some pictures of what you're writing. Make sure you have your illustration in there. So you have an amazing day, the rest of your day. Have fun. Do something fun today. I will see you soon. So remember who loves you. Jesus loves you, and so do I.